What is the average electrician salary in Bahrain? On average, an electrician in Bahrain earns around 9,500 US dollars a year. That adds up to about $792 every month before tax. New workers start well below this figure, but your electrician income goes up rapidly as you gain practical skills during your first few years on the job. Pay usually plateaus after that point, unless you step into a supervisor role. Having a university degree or advanced technical diploma is not always required to start, but that extra education helps you command a higher average electrician pay. On top of that, having higher credentials makes it far easier to move into better positions like electrical engineer or project manager. Employer size also makes a massive difference to electrician wages. Small local firms pay a fraction of what international companies offer. So landing a job with a multinational employer is the best way to earn noticeably more. That is why many workers switch companies as soon as they get enough experience. Knowing how much does an electrician make in Bahrain helps you plan your career move wisely.